Hi everybody, welcome back. Excuse me. So this is update number 2 on the Ferrari 612 by Revell. And you saw in my first update on this that I was missing the chrome pieces for this kit. So I went to eBay and I was actually able to find a similar kit. This one. And I was actually able to get this for $10 plus $8 shipping. And it arrived today. And today is Wednesday. Sorry, I'm taking a drink of coffee here. I'm very pleased with how quickly this showed up because I actually got it Sunday night. Monday morning, whatever it was, as an auction win, or buy it now. But, so, obviously, the kit, it has been opened, right? But, what I needed is right there. Right on top, the chrome pieces. So, I have a question for you guys. Some of you had actually left a pretty good comment in the comment section on the first video about what to do if I couldn't find the pieces for what I needed. And some of you said to rat rod the Ferrari. And I was really starting to consider doing that if I didn't find this. So I'm a little bit of a conundrum here, right? So I can take the chrome pieces out of here and I can put it on the kit that I started, okay, and continue on my happy way. But then I'm left with a kit that doesn't have any chrome. So I'm going to leave it out there. What do you guys think I should do? I mean, I've got, like, everything's been primed on the first kit, right? Everything's primed, ready for paint, and then assembly. So should I just take the chrome and go to the other vehicle and just put it in there and just start? Or should I build this one from scratch? And should I rat rod the other one? Or should I just rat rod this one? So I'm kind of curious. What do you guys think? Think you'd want to see a rat rodded Ferrari? Let me know what you guys think. Which way do you think I should go, since I've gotten, you know, a lot of priming done and pieces put together and stuff? Just pull the chrome out of this and add it to the other one, or just build this as a fresh kit and rat rod the first one. But what I thought I would show you, the instructions are actually, I want to point out something here real quick. So this one says it's a skill level 2. The one I got initially says on here, someplace, where to go? Just saw it. Oh, skill level 3. I don't know. Anyway, but something I noticed, the directions are very, very different. This one actually puts the kit number on it. This one does not, unless that's supposed to be the kit number. Something that's kind of interesting about this, I don't know if other guys do this or not, but when I go through the instructions, when it tells you to paint something, I write down underneath that piece what color it's supposed to be, and here they did that already. Okay, instead of this one, where, you know, I wrote in the colors under the letter that it's assigned to, okay, and then, you know, it stopped me from flipping back and forth to the front page, so on and so forth. So I thought that was kind of an interesting thing, but it looks like it's basically the same kit, just kind of flipping through everything. It looks like it's the same pieces and parts. So I'm hoping that you know, if I put it into the other car, everything will work. You'll see, you know, like the biggest thing was some of the decals. So there's the decal set's the same, but the way they laid them out was different. It's just their layout is a whole lot different. A little bit easier to see on most of them. And the picture's blown up a little bit more, so you can actually see it a little bit better than the other one. So yeah, there's that. So I found the pieces. I found the parts for this. The question is, so what do you guys think? Should I continue? Should I just take the chrome out of here, put it in the first one, rat rod what's left, or build this one as a full kit and rat rod the first one? And do you think you would like to see a rat rodded Ferrari? So let me know. Looking forward to seeing what you guys think. And I've got a rant video coming up about something, and that'll also be showing up in a little bit. Yeah, that's all I got. So thank you to all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for all the comments and all the helpful hints from everybody. I do appreciate everybody offering to either send me wheels and stuff like that for the kit. I do appreciate it all. I was able to secure this rather inexpensively, so that was kind of nice. They actually had the, somebody actually was selling the other kit that I started, but it was like 50 or 60 bucks. And I'm like, no, that's not worth it. The $10 one was far more worth it for that. So, yeah, that's where we're at. So again, please like, comment, share the video if you feel it's worthy. I do have shop cards. I'm going to do a quick video on those as well. So there'll probably be 3 videos in a row for me. Today, actually, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to do it this way. So if you guys would like a shop card, okay, I know some of you have already received them, and that's because I received your shop cards. So everybody I had received one from initially, you should have one already, or it's in the mail and on its way. I will put my email address down in the description. So if you would like a shop card from me, please drop me an email and I will send you one. Okay. All right. So there we go. That's all I got. Everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye.